G'day, WA Drop Air Drones here. The other day after work I went to Tomato Lake, a beautiful bit of nature nestled off to the west of Perth. I had a lovely hour there, getting some great footage of Bin Chicken Island, Tomato Lake and the surroundings. Please do all the regular things, like, share, subscribe, ring the notification bell. It can really help the channel get off the ground. And if you really want to support me, feel free to buy me a coffee. There's a link in the description. Loads of duckweed on the lake if you're wondering what the green is on the surface of the water. Beautiful gazebo with its old boardwalk walkway out on the lake with views over to Bin Chicken Island. If you're wondering about the island's name, the Bin Chicken is an Australian white ibis, commonly found around areas with water. I used to see their cousins around the salt marshes and beaches of Pendine and Larne when I was growing up. Perth over there in the distance with the Swan River glinting. Not too far, but I wouldn't like to walk it. Right, why is this video slightly different? Why was the strange little picture of me on it as well? Well, let us just say it was a learning experience. One of the things to remember is, in a moment of panic, be aware which direction your drone is facing, because if you're going to sidestep and it's not facing in a way that you are moving it for, it's going to move in the opposite direction to the way you want it. As it was, I was bringing it into land, my trusty little Mini 3. It was, I can't deny, I was in not a heavily treed area. I had plenty of space to bring it down. I was bringing it down and it was a bit like skating around on an ice rink. It was going side to side quite a lot. There was more of a crosswind than I anticipated. I saw it going towards the tree. I moved the stick to sidestep left. It sidestepped right. It was facing me. Oops. Crashed into the tree. I thought, okay, that's not too bad. But the motors were still going and it seemed to flick itself out a bit more. Flicked itself out. It came down, hit the next few branches. I thought, okay, it looks like it's trying to hover. That's at least something good. And then it fell to the ground. 2 front arms dislocated and one of them even broken. That's on its way to DJI now. And so hopefully going to get it replaced. In the meantime, my fantastic wife twisted my arm really badly. I can't deny she did actually have to twist my arm and made me go out and get a 5 Pro. Haven't I got a lovely wife? So I've just come back from Salt Lake, which I'll edit together in a moment. I just thought I'd get this little piece done and get the video back uploaded, and that's the last bit of the where the hell was it I was? Somewhere funny named. Anyway, yes. So I'll get another video wrapped up and uploaded, then I'll put together today's one. Went out on a little drive. Anyway, main thing is, know your drone. Don't panic. Try to stay level-headed and take each problem as it presents itself. And if you've got plenty of space around you, then that's a lot of your problems already solved. Yes. Enjoy.